Hey guys, welcome back to Ready Set Viral. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about the best ice cream and dessert ideas that you can use at your own home. But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. The first idea we have for you guys is very simple. All you need is a Pop-It, hot chocolate, and some M&Ms or whatever else you'd like. It's all up to you. Now what you need to do is put the M&Ms in the Pop-It holes and pour over the chocolate. Wait for it to dry and that's it. Simple, right? Have you ever thought about making your own avocado ice cream? If so, we have a great solution for you. Put your avocado in a glass. Pour it with whipping cream and add lemon juice as well as honey. Then mix it with a mixer and freeze it. And that's it, plain and simple. The next one is also simple. Get a pack of Oreos and separate the cookies from the cream. Put it in milk and shake it up. Get a plastic box, put some Oreos in there, and pour the milk you just shook over it. Freeze it and that's it. Once they're frozen enough, you can use a flat-edged knife like this and roll them up to make some rolled ice cream. Simple, right? Get a Snickers ice cream, and you can get those almost everywhere, so don't worry. Cut a small piece of it and put it on top of a cookie and cover it with another cookie. So simple, it's like an ice cream sandwich, and it tastes so amazing. This one's a bit more complicated, but it's worth giving a try. Firstly, get some marshmallow jelly, preferably green, and put it in a bowl. Get Rice Krispies, mix them with the marshmallow jelly, and get 2 round cake forms, one bigger and the second one smaller, so you can put the jelly in between them. Get rid of the forms, put red marshmallow jelly inside, and add some dark red or black sweets like M&Ms, and that's it. Now you've got a watermelon cake. This is a very simple recipe, but make sure to follow all of the steps. Get some Oreo biscuits and put them in a cake form, and then pour it with milk. Use a knife or something else to smash the biscuits, mix them with the milk, and once they're mixed well enough, place them flat and freeze. Firstly, put some banana and forest fruits in a bowl. Add some Greek yogurt and water, and turn on the mixer, or whatever else you're using to mix them together. And that's it, you'll get a pretty tasty smoothie. This next idea requires a little bit more effort, but it's so worth it, trust me. So basically what you have to do is make a cake shaped like an egg. Just 2 layers, nothing crazy. What you have to do next is cut a hole in the middle and put a lot of sweets and nice things inside of it. Decorate it just like a Kinder Surprise egg, which we all know and love, don't we? To make it look even cooler. It's so amazing and it doesn't take that much time considering what it is. The last one is for all you fish lovers. Buy some orange or any other color you choose, ice your cake and design it to look like a fish. It seems so simple, but it's super effective and looks so cute. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a single video from us in the future. And also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye now!